This is a YouTube version of how to copy your um, assignment calendars from PowerSchool to Google Calendar. First of all, the instructions themselves are on your class site. They're called Instructions for Formative. So you open those up, and so it just says, let's get organized. Put your class assignments in your Google Calendar, Android phone, or iPhone calendar. And if you want to put in your iPhone too, you want to open up your Gmail also. Okay, I got my Gmail here. Okay, let's go back. All right, so that's it for that page. Now, there's nothing confusing about the instructions as long as you read them. Okay, sometimes you have to do something, sometimes you don't. Okay, so open these two windows, PowerSchool and EAC Gmail. Open a browser tab with PowerSchool, which you find at ps.eac.com.br, and log in with your use ID password. Ask the teacher if you forgot your login. Go to My Calendars link on left. Okay, then you open your EAC Gmail account and use your user ID, and you open Google Calendar by clicking on the apps icon, which is this little keypad thing here, and then you click on Calendar. So let's do those two things. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to PowerSchool, which is ps.eac.com.br. Okay, and that'll maybe take a little while. It's working on it. Okay, so I go into PowerSchool, so I go into ps.eac.com.br and I log in. And then I click on My Calendars, and when I click on My Calendars, it takes me to this page. This is Brad's page. And then I'm going to start copying or subscribing to the assignment streams from each of the teachers. So I'm going to go to the class assignments only column. Okay, this is also possible to do, but if you're going to do this, then come by after school and I'll help you with it. It's a lot harder. Okay, so we're going to do class assignments only. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to copy from here and then we're going to paste it over to here. And I'm going to show you what that looks like in the instructions. Okay, skip over this because most of you have already logged into Google Calendar before. And then, so the place where you're going to copy it to is where it says Other Calendars here, and you're going to left click on this arrow here, and then it's going to open up a place for you to paste the calendars into. Okay, and what this page is just saying is if you have calendars from last year, from 5th grade or 6th grade, you can unsubscribe them by clicking here and then choosing settings and then unsubscribing by pressing unsubscribe. Okay, but most of you probably don't have. Okay, so how do you copy the first PowerSchool class calendar? You're going to go to the class assignments only, and then you're going to do right mouse button here, and then you're going to do copy link address, and then you're going to take that over to the Google Calendar. You're going to left click on this triangle here. You're going to do add by URL, and then you're going to paste the calendar link with Control V, and then you're going to click on add calendar. Okay, and then if you're an iPhone user, you're also going to copy each of the links. Every time you copy a link, you're going to paste it first in the Google Calendar, and then you're going to paste it into an email which you're sending to your mom and to yourself. Okay, and you're going to do that for each one of your class links. So I'm going to show you how to do a couple. So we go here, we do a right mouse button, we do a copy link address, and depending on your browser, maybe it's in Portuguese, maybe it's Internet Explorer, it'll be something like this where it says copy link address, maybe not exactly because mine is Chrome. And then I do a left mouse button on top of that and then to select it, and now I'm going to go to the calendar, and then I click on this triangle here and I say add by URL, and then I do a Control V, and then I do not click this, and then I do add calendar. Okay, and it's done. And then I repeat that for each one of my classes. Okay. Now, if I have an Apple device like an iPod or an iPad or an iPhone, and I want to also uh, send um, my links to my iPhone calendar, then I just paste it there, and then I send it to myself by putting um, my iPad email here. Okay, my iPad email Gmail. So then I'm going to paste a bunch of other links here, okay, just the same way. So I'm going to do the second one here. I'll do a copy link address, and then I go to the Google Calendar, and I click on this, and then I do add by URL, click here, Control V, do not click that, add calendar, and so I'm done again. And then I go to my Gmail, and then I'm going to paste this one there. So you can see each one is slightly different. And I'm going to send all these to my iPad, and then on my iPad I'm going to open this up in my mail, and then I'm going to double click on this, and when I double click on it, it's going to open up this subscription into my iCalendar, and then I will be able to open it on my Mac too. And so when you finish this process, you're going to have several calendars here, okay? And then you're going to take a screenshot of this screen and put it into a Google Doc so that I can see that you have successfully added your 6th and 7th grade classes here, okay? And how to do a screenshot, that's in the other video. I'm just going to take you through the rest of these slides here. So you repeat until all classes are on the calendar. Okay, and then as you're finishing, you'll notice that there's several calendars here, and you'll also start seeing assignments up on the top. And then you're going to take a screenshot of this screen, and then you're going to, you're taking the screenshot. Tells you how to use the um, Mac and Windows screenshot. And then you're going to put that into a Google Doc called My Name Assignments. You're going to share it with philip.tsubaki@edc.com.br. And then you're done.